you can see, there's a big fucking halo around the sun. If you can't see it, you fucking sure will in a minute. There's a little bit of sundog over there. Could get brighter. If we like that, we should see. Just one sec. So we've got sundog over there. Going around now, fucking hell, I can't see. Oh, water pissing out of my eyes. Okay, flip back to normal. You can obviously all see that. It's fading out now. It's right over there. It did go all the way around. Alright. I don't seem to see it now. It's faded off.